What is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and today I'm gonna be doing something a little different. You see this here? We're gonna be making our own off-white wet grass rug for under $20. That's right. You don't have to pay $500 or $1,000. We're gonna make it for under 20 bucks, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. So this is a do-it-yourself tutorial on how to make an off-white wet grass rug. So check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks. And all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright guys, so in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you exactly how to make this just like how I'm doing it. It's only going to cost you about $15 to $20. Why pay $500 to $1,000? I don't know. It's still crazy to me. Obviously, this isn't going to be exactly the Ikea off-white collab, whatever. But it's going to look just like it, and guess what? It's going to be better, guys. Now this I'm actually using is turf, okay? This is real turf. This isn't like a fluffy rug or anything. This is like turf. I personally like the feeling of turf. Plus, I think it gives it more meaning to the actual wet grass because this is like fake grass, so it's kind of funny. So that's why I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get a piece of turf. This turf right here, it was a little bit longer. I did cut it. Get on Amazon for $9, okay? You can get it probably at Home Depot, Lowe's, any of that. For cheap too, but I got it for $9 and came in a day or two, and now we're working on it. The only other thing you need besides this that you have to buy is paint. Okay, so I use striping paint, like paint that they use for like parking spaces or for athletic fields, like lining, any of that stuff. I bought that on Amazon as well. It was $5. I think you can get it at Walmart too. It's like $5. And they give you a lot. The can's like this big. I'll show you guys later. But yeah, so that's the only two things you need to buy. It cost me like $14 or $15 for those two things, and that's it. Okay. Now this is the part where you guys got to put the work in, and it shouldn't take too long. Okay. We need to make a stencil. Again, you can probably get one made or you can buy one. But I want to make this as cheap as I can. Plus, I know how to make a stencil, so I decided why not do it. So I'm gonna run you through real quick, and if you guys want in the future, let me know in the comments. I can actually do a whole video on how to make your own stencil, because right now I'm just gonna show you what I did, but I can actually show you step by step how to make one. So if you're interested in that, put that in the comments. Anyway, all you do, what I did, you take this, print it out, okay? There's our words in the off-white font, okay? Wet grass. You put a light underneath it, and then you put cardstock over top of it, okay? It's like a thicker paper, okay? You put it over top of it, you outline all of the letters, and then you take an X-Acto knife and cut it all out, okay? So that is where we are now. That's the stencil. Now you can probably see right here, you're probably like, what are these lines right here? Why is that like that? Is that the design? No. The reason that's there, we need this piece in the middle to make that R. If you just cut it out, it would take that out. Same thing with the A. So you put these lines here. That way when you do the stencil, these are there. Then afterwards, when we take the stencil off, all I'm gonna do is take the white paint and I'm gonna put it in those little spots. And then we're good. We're back to an actual R and an A, okay? So again, if you guys wanna see a full video of how to make a stencil, I can do that too, just let me know. But we're gonna get right into it, guys. So the first thing we need to do after making our stencil and getting our rug is we gotta center this thing, okay? So we're going to center it. I'm gonna measure side by side what is center, and then once I get that, I'm going to tape it to this. That way we are secure, and I know when I spray, no paint is gonna get underneath. Next thing we need to do is we're gonna line this whole mat, the rest of it, with either paper or trash bags or anything, because we don't want any of the spray to miss and get over here from the wind or whatever. We don't want it to get on any other parts of the rug. So that is where we are right now, and I'm gonna show you all of it right here. Okay guys, so now you can see I centered it and I taped it down. This is perfectly centered and it's taped on all edges. The reason that's already white is because I tried it on something. I was just testing it out. But that is that. Now I'm going to, all of this green has got to be covered, okay? So now we're gonna do that. Oh God. We're about to have some wet grass. It's about to storm. Now I just gotta go over this part right here. I'm just gonna use the white and jealous paint. Just touch that up real quick. For the most part, it's really good. I'm a little upset with myself. The word wet is a little crooked, but it's not terrible. But yeah, guys, so right there, I'm just gonna touch this up and then I'll get back to you guys. Guys, so I just touched it up. As you can see, we are all good now. There it is. Now I'm gonna finish the video inside. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is how you make your very own wet grass off-white rug. So I hope this video helped. I hope you guys can go out there and make your own now. Also though, if you guys want one of these, you don't want to make it, hit me up because I am making some of these. And I'm also thinking of putting some different words or designs on top of this and creating my own. And so if you guys want those, let me know and I will make you one. Just hit me up in the comments, follow my Instagram, hit me up, and yeah. So with that being said, that's gonna finish up this video. If you have any questions or video suggestions or you wanna see other stuff like this, let me know down below in the comments. Also, if you like this video, please smash the like button. And lastly, if you like this channel and you wanna see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks, and look at this off-white wet grass rug. Check out what I make next time.